today I'm making easy butter chicken in the Ninja Foodi. First of all, I'm gonna marinate the chicken. Here I have 1.5 pounds of chicken thighs and I've cut it into small pieces. To this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half cup of yogurt, 1 teaspoon freshly grated ginger, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, half teaspoon Kashmiri red pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this all together. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. I'm starting the Ninja Foodi in sear saute mode at high, adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Next I'm adding 1 small onion chopped, and I'll fry the onions till they change their color to translucent. The onions have changed their color. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken. Sauté a little bit for a couple of minutes. Next I'm adding half a cup of water. Next add half cup of tomato puree. And I'm gonna pressure cook at high for 5 minutes. I'm quick releasing the pressure now that it's done. Change the mode to saute. I'm adding half cup of heavy cream. You can use more or less based on your liking. Cook for a few minutes till it's thick enough for your liking. The butter chicken looks ready now. I'm gonna take it out, plate it.